This is Good Morning Mumbai with Hrishi K.
Thumping Thursday edition of the brand new year. And India's leading holistic health guru and corporate life coach Mehta returns. Hello, how are you?
Very, very well. Very, very well. Fine, thank you.
I'm glad you were able to go to Arthur Road and spend some time with the prisoners. What was this about?
And you will be surprised to know who spearheaded the whole thing. Our lady, the first lady of Maharashtra, come on, no prizes for guessing. Mrs. Amrita Fadnavis. She spearheads a foundation called Divyaj, and they do a lot of social fabric work, uplifting mankind, adding value to the underprivileged. So it was her brainchild that we go to the under trials or to the convicts and help them be happy, simply. So yes, of course, we spoke to them, we made them laugh, we made them happy, we told them that we were one amongst them, and also Divyaj is now endeavoring through Mrs. Amrita ji's good offices to create a platform that when these people step out after serving their time and they resolve and they reform, we should be able to provide them platforms for earning, to get them in their career goals, professional goals, and get them independent in life. And most importantly, remove the stigma, give them confidence, and the society should help, or the society should embrace them. So yes, I spoke, I made them laugh, we did pranayam, we sang songs. Even, Manjuji Lodha, she also did a lot of great motivational. And of course, when Amrita ji spoke, they were all regaling and they were all uplifted emotionally.
Azad on Facebook. I'm just recovering from a spine operation. It's been a year. I spent many months in bed. I want to start a small exercise. What should I begin with? Spine, wow. That's scary.
Scary and spine, very, very tricky. That whenever you recover from any kind of injury, the first rule of the thumb is that you must rest a lot. Let your spine align very well. Let all the spasms and let all the adhesions, everything that is disaligned fall into place very naturally, for which we don't have to interfere. We simply have to allow. Once we simply allow that, then get into, strengthening it. So gentle massaging with oil will help. And then gentle exercises of yoga under supervision. And I would say not even a centimeter, but the part, 1/10 of a centimeter at a time if you start stretching, bending, moving. And eventually over 6, 8, 12, 16 weeks, get there where you want to get there. And strengthen your spine, strengthen your back muscles, improve your range of motion, and come to your best mobility.
Dr. Mehta on Facebook, at Mehta on Twitter, and 99677 43943 on WhatsApp. Thanks for your time, Mickey. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.
Thank you so much, Hrishi. Let your spine be mobilized. Be active to get Mickeymized.